Welcome. This is Dejan Sensei and you are listening to Flow. Thank you for being here. Wherever you are, standing, walking, lying down, I invite you now to breathe. Let this moment be a soft beginning. Let it match you exactly as you are. Today I want to speak about something we all feel but often ignore. The language of the body. Especially how the body recognizes stress and how it responds to peace. Our minds are clever. They can justify anything. We can tell ourselves we are fine. We are handling it, but the body never lies. The body keeps score. It remembers tension. It registers chaos before we admit it to ourselves. Sometimes it's a tight chest, a shallow breath, chained jaw, restless sleep. The body doesn't need drama. It just gives you a signal. The question is, are you listening? One of the most powerful ways I have found to reconnect the body with balance is through sound. I don't mean music that entertains. I mean vibration that penetrates. Sound, when used with intention, doesn't just reach your ears, it reaches your nervous system. It bypasses the story and speaks directly to the system that regulates your stress. In my work with clients, especially here on Mallorca by the sea, I have seen again and again. People come with full minds, full lives, full resistance. But when the balls begin to vibrate, when the breath slows down, and when the body finally feels safe to release, something softens. Something's real open. Tears come, laughter, or just deep, deep exhale. And in that moment, there is no performance. There is no mask, just presence. That's why I love this work. That's why I keep showing up for it. And it's a deep joy to hold space for people here, on this island by the water in the silence between sounds. You don't have to fight your stress. You just have to feel again. The body will show you the way, and sound can guide you there. If you feel called to explore this more deeply, to work with me in person, here on Mallorca or online, you can visit my page www.impoise.com. Wherever you are right now, pause. Place a hand on your chest. Close your eyes if you like and just breathe. In and out. You are here, and that is enough. This is Dejan Sensei. Thank you for listening. See you in the stillness.